Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about planting super red romaine. Now, this is the red romaine done in the Kratky method. There's the roots right there. And I've done it in a 5-gallon, 8 net pot system. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways to get this stuff into here from here. So let's get into this. Okay, we have 2 ways you can do this to get the same result. You can seed directly into a potting mix or a growing mix. I used that black gold, and you would just basically drop your seeds in there, and I'll get a couple of these out. This is the red romaine, the super red romaine. It's a gorgeous lettuce, lots of flavor, and I'm just going to drop a couple seeds in each one of these. Probably more than a couple, but that's okay. You can thin them out. They're a small seed, so they're easily dropped more than one. And then that's all you do after that. If you have grow lights, you can use grow lights. If you don't, you can put them on your kitchen counter someplace in a bright area, and you just cover it with a piece of cellophane to keep the moisture in. Cellophane's not agreeing with me today. Anyway, you get the idea, and you cover it. Oh, you push these seeds in just a little bit here, just under the soil line. And you want to wet them in a little bit. And the soil here was wet, but you can wet it in a little bit more. Then you just put your piece of cellophane over it to keep the moisture in. And in about, I would say, 10, 14 days, somewhere in there, they're going to sprout up. And then you can take them out of here and put them in the net pot the same way you would before. And then you have these clay pellets here, and you drop that around there because you want to keep the algae from growing in the tank. And it has 5 gallons of the super blend, and you're good to go. You can get your 8 heads of lettuce out of the one tub. Now the other method is with the rock wool. You have to have them soaked in water. So right now the water is let's call it 7.85. And then I'll take a little bit of lemon juice, because you want it between 5.5 to 6.5 pH of the water. A couple drops of that. Stir it around, we'll check it again. .5, gonna bring it down a little bit more. That looks like plenty now. 5.76, so that's perfect for what we're doing. 5.5 to 6.5. Wait, what did I say? Let me cover up this. And what you do then is you soak your rock wool cubes in this for a couple hours to neutralize the rock wool. And after that's neutralized, after about an hour and a half, you could drain off the rest of the water, and then you drop the same seed in these little holes, a couple seeds, and then again use the cellophane, cover them up, and then after they germinate, then you'll have the seeds out, and you drop each cube can be placed in the rock wool like this. You drop it in there so it sits like this with the plant sticking up once you have enough root. And then you basically just put the pellets or gravel or anything you have handy that's large enough that won't let the light get underneath this thing and have algae growing in the tub. So there we go. We have the water after about an hour. Plant your seeds, cover it with a piece of cellophane, and after they germinate, take them out and put them in there. And then you'll wind up with, I'll get it again, you'll come out with 8 heads of romaine, and that's the root system underneath with using the Kratky method. Easy to do, and there's a lot of food here. If you found this information useful, you have any comments, suggestions, questions, let me know. And I just say thanks for watching, and if you can, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.